Good morning, everybody. Another short video. I had to show you how these flowers are blooming. I believe this is sedum, and this is really, really cool. Of course, you can see all of the bugs that are flying around here right now because of the flowers. And I did some experiments putting new growth in here for Rudbeckia and planting a sedum there. And I want to try these to winter over in the house. Not necessarily the Rudbeckia, but I really want to try the sedum and see what happens. I wanted it on the deck because I thought it would be pretty, like a bouquet. And from far away or inside the house, you can totally see it. So my last rose is still blooming. I didn't cut off the old one. I just kind of let it go and to see what happened. And of course the Rudbeckia is still going strong, but things are starting to die off. So the other day I took off some of the old coneflowers, the purple coneflower, to see if that new growth was going to bloom and blossom. And I am getting more of the sunflowers. I took down some more dead things, cut out some more mulberries the other day. Wasn't the plan, but once I start seeing them, I have to get rid of them. So I was thinking that this looks a little bit cleaner. Left my bee balm up because it feeds the birds. Think that's pretty cool to do, even though it looks a little messy. But as far as a backdrop, the layers of things growing, shorter things in the cascade of different plants, I think is kind of fun. I had wanted to paint, I was going to spray paint this bird trellis thing here and those two panels and make them a bronze color, which I thought would be really cool. The plant that I put hanging here didn't seem to fare very well, so I just left that shepherd's hook planter hanger in the garden. And I'm still looking at the primrose here that's turning red, and yes, bugs have eaten things, but it's pretty cool to see even the red clover popping up in places and feeding the insects. So that's kind of fun. It was a beautiful sunny day today, so I thought I would share a little bit again. Things are still living because we have sun, and the sun is so hot even though the evenings are cool. I did try replanting some marigolds, and that didn't work at all, really. So that lesson is learned. They were just huge and beautiful bouquets, but they were in a different part of the garden, and I thought I'd see if I could put something there. So you could see that some things are dying off, and there's stuff I need to cut back more. And even this honeysuckle, which grew 4 feet, that's like all new growth from here up, which is just amazing to me. All of those lighter green branches grew in the last 2 months maybe. So I hope you're going to have a wonderful day and think positive. Today's message is don't be too critical of yourself, and be kind to you. Get your stuff done, but give yourself a break also. All right.